Today I'm going to show you a quick tip with deleting faces inside of xShape on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. To get things started, we're going to be inside of xShape and simply just insert a box at the origin. Then we're going to just increase the X and Y segments as well as increase the volume of the box just to give ourselves a little bit more room to work with. One useful tip is to also right-click on a tab and select Display Command Names so you can easily identify what each icon represents. First, I'm going to show you the slow way of deleting faces inside of xShape. Go onto the Subdivision tab and select the Delete Faces/Loops icon. From there, just go around and begin selecting the faces you want to be deleted. Watch as they begin to slowly delete as you click on each one. Notice you are forced to wait a brief moment as you click a face before it is deleted, which can take up a lot of time, especially if you have a lot of faces that need to be deleted. I'm going to go ahead and show you a much quicker way of doing this. We're just going to control click the faces that we want to be deleted, or you can also drag select multiple at once. Once we have the faces selected we want to have deleted, now go to the Delete Faces/Loops icon and select it. Notice the faces that we have selected before selecting the icon are automatically deleted upon entering the command. This saves a lot of time because we don't have to wait that brief moment after selecting each face to wait for it to delete. Now we can continue on with our design and make this surface model a solid model. Let's navigate down to the Features tab and select Thicken. I can then drag select all my faces or choose Body Selection and select the whole body. Then I can enter in how thick I want the object to be. For this instance, I'm just going to keep it at 10 millimeters, and then select the green check mark. And just like that, we've created a thin wall box utilizing xShape and the Delete Faces command.